give a fuck about nobody's feelings, didn't care about nobody else till a little bit older. I met a female on the wrong shit. She was cool as hell at first. I wouldn't like her, man. I really want to fuck with her. I really want to fuck her, but at the same time she went and let me hit. I'm like, God damn. She talking about nigga wouldn't never touch her, but at the same time, man, a nigga got a little older. Now I got 2 girls by her, and she not a girl now. But at the same time, I'm mad at her right now. But a nigga got a little older. Now I realize life is hard. But a nigga got a little older. But now I realize life is hard. But a nigga got a little older. But I just realized my life is hard. But a nigga got a little older. But I just realized this life is hard. Life is hard up on the block. Man, I was out up on the block selling rock every single day just to get the food up on my plate. Just to eat a little bit. Man, a nigga really fucked up. But a nigga stay with guns, playing with them guns a lot. Then I'm selling drugs on the block. Right on hesitant, getting money on the block. Yeah, I was just having fun. 2011 was a good year, swear to God, son. But then a nigga got locked up. Feds and the DEA came to my house with them 30s and that shit. Told them just lay down on the ground. Put me in the car and took me down to just a federal building. And I never knew, man, I thought it was something else, but just the whole time it was the big building. And I was like fucked up, and I was really messed up, wondering why the fuck they grabbed me, but I really knew what's up. Cause them niggas end up bringing out that motherfucking folder, and I seen that fucking folder with the guns I just had, and I'm looking at it like, god damn, they just got me, man. It's fucked up, man. They had me, and it's all over.